Hey everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to be showing you really quickly how to transfer Ethereum from Binance to Trust Wallet. First of all, open Trust Wallet and you can see we have different type of coins in here. So what we need to do is simply click on to the coin that we need to receive. So let's just say we want to receive Ethereum. Then you're going to be copying its address. So click on receive and copy the address. Once you copy your address by clicking on receive, you're going to be heading over to your Binance. So head over to your Binance account, and once you do that, you can see we have portfolio on the bottom right. Click on takeout and withdraw. Once you do that, select Ethereum from the search bar. Once you search Ethereum, paste in here the address that we just copied, select the network and select the number of Ethereum that you want to send, and finally click on withdraw. Once you do that, Ethereum are going to be received into your Trust Wallet account. So that is, my friend, how you can transfer Ethereum from Binance to Trust Wallet. So that is the process. Thank you so much for watching.